And now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Season 2 of Olivia Meets World starts right now.
Hi, my name is Ben. I'm from Hanoi, Vietnam. My major is marketing, and today I'm going to teach Olivia how to use chopsticks.
This is how I hold my chopsticks. This is not the correct way to hold chopsticks actually, but this is how I, my family, and my friends kind of hold it. I don't actually know how to use it the correct way, but I've been doing this for a long time, so it works.
It works.
Yeah.
All right, so you just kind of hold it like a pencil?
Yeah, just hold it like how you hold it.
Or? Okay.
Yeah. Do you want to try? Yes.
I'm struggling with this. I think maybe if I get my face muscles into it, then it'll be better.
Yeah, you kind of get it.
Or not. Is there like a trick to this, or?
I don't know, I just like use the 2-3 fingers to actually control the thing, and it's always easier for you to like hold it up.
Hold it up, okay.
Yeah.
Slip in.
Yes. And you just kind of like do it like this, kind of like control it.
How do you keep it from not falling off?
Because this chopstick is very slippery.
Oh, so you gave me the slippery chopsticks for my first time?
Yes.
That makes me feel better though.
Yeah.
I kind of just want to like...
that works.
Oh. I will get this. I am determined.
Yeah.
I like have to like use this one to like help guide it. Is it better to like easier to grab like a bigger bunch of them?
I feel like it might be easier. There you go. There you go.
I did it! What is this?
This is pho, which is like a very traditional Vietnamese food. It's very famous. I feel like most people know of Vietnamese food as pho, but there are a lot more. But this is the best one, I think.
Okay. Oh. I'm getting it one pho at a time. Do you just like slurp it up?
Yeah. So we kind of make it this slurps like sound.
Yeah.
They say that it's rude to do that in America, but apparently it's okay for you to do that in like Vietnam.
Oh, okay.
Because it's like supposed to be weird.
I've got the slurping down. And that's pretty much how you use chopsticks, right?
Yes. Very
Alright.
easy. Just like
Well, thank you, Van, for teaching me how to use them today.
you're welcome.
Thanks for watching this episode of Olivia Meets World.
Don't forget to like the UNI International Admissions Facebook page to catch the latest episodes of Olivia Meets World. We didn't get this on film, but look what I did. I grabbed it all by myself.